Good morning and welcome back to my favorite city, Toronto. Timestamp, it is 7:38. I'm gonna head down to my favorite cafe. It's just downstairs. I honestly love this area that I'm in right now. It's by everything. You don't even need to drive. You just walk everywhere. It's so dark right now. Okay, cool. They're open. Could I just get a hot latte and a chocolate croissant? Where should I sit? Always get pictures of the receipts. I pretty much write off everything I spend. Well, like my accountant does all that stuff, so I'm really not sure what counts and stuff. So I just take pictures of everything. This cafe opened only like 3 months ago, and when I was here in the summer, so like the week this place was open, I was here. Hi. A latte and a pain au chocolat, however you pronounce that. Okay, this is ginormous. Look at the size of my face. So I'm checking my socials, and yesterday I just reached, 40,000 of you guys here. Honestly, all this like social media stuff, I kind of only started it just for fun to document trades. Like if you were here in the beginning, I kind of just documented like the trades I took, and then I guess it evolved to this now. So I don't know, you just run along with it and stuff happens over time. It's crazy. All right, let's go this way. Here is Spadina. This is like the main road here. So it looks like New York. And then this place is another place I like to go sometimes. We have the CN Tower up there. We're gonna do the pre-market check. Scan all the different tickers that I usually look at, ETF stocks, see what we have going on in the overall market, the different conditions, overall picture, top-down analysis. Honestly, this week so far, I have not liked the price action. Previous weeks, like the past maybe couple weeks, have been much better in price action, but this week is just weird. It's weird moving. We have a huge spike in movement just now. That's wild. Always something going on in the market, my goodness. We gotta state the obvious when we look at this stuff. Where is price? All-time highs. Where is the resistance? Where is the support? What structure do we see? Do we see bullishness? Do we see bearishness? Or are we choppy? Now that charting is all done, we have about 10 minutes before the market opens. And then we really just wait to see what happens today. Hopefully we have some nice price action. Today we are watching SPY, QQQ, and AMD. All of them, I don't draw anything, it's just lines, but all the analysis is done ahead of time. All I have my chart is this, and then I know, what I want to trade, where I want to trade, what levels I have to break and everything. But this is all I trade on, just a MacBook. And because the setup is so simple, I just flip between the screens to see where price is at and which one I like. And other than that, I don't really have a crazy setup. Like, there's nothing here. Let's see what we have going on here. I haven't cleaned up anything. This is the real deal. We got some water. We got some tissues for crying. If I lose any trades, I want to be prepared for any tears that will come about. This was a cute gift. That's my next car. Some camera stuff, blah, blah, blah. What's this we have here? We have floss, and I actually went to the Porsche dealership the other day. So when I need a car, which I don't right now, I will get a Porsche. I'm still looking at what model I would get. But yeah, that's gonna be my next car. Stay tuned when I get that. Now we just wait to, ooh, shoot, AMD is moving. I probably will enter 14 contracts. It's gonna be $11,000 over dollars. I'm not even getting filled right now. Stuff is freezing on my Thinkorswim. Oh my goodness. I'm mad right now. All right, off to Webull. I guess we gotta use Webull now. I'm in AMD calls. I just got a notification about my phone bill. It's like $130. So I use T-Mobile, but because I'm always traveling internationally, I have to pay for a international plan. So it gets pricey. High chance I get subbed out. Oh boy. I'm gonna get subbed out. I'm out. This sucks. Okay, just lost $1,000. I entered here and then pretty much it went a little higher, then it dropped lower. So then I exited there. It did a fake out and then a reversal at 250. So yeah, I do take losses, guys. But it's not often. Mind you, I'm trading the same strategy every week and it's profitable. But certain weeks, certain market conditions, there's going to be certain losses, or the probabilities of success during certain weeks may be lower, even with a really good strategy, because just the conditions are changing. The market is different. It's weaker. Certain levels aren't being respected. So all these things, it happens. Right now, to be honest, my ego hurts a little bit. It just feels like failure. All these losses you take, you have to accept it. It's all about acceptance. All right. Look at SPY right now. SPY is choppy. This is a huge sign that the overall market is just weak. When price is this weak, honestly, if there's no reason to be on the chart or just a really weak day, I don't see the point in staying longer just to watch stuff. Because one, I'm not going to trade anything. Two, it's too weak. So even if I want to try to learn stuff, if the market is weak, a lot of setups are going to be just lower probability, or your strategy is just not going to work out. All right, our day continues. Even after a loss, we move on. So this is what I'm wearing to the gym, and the gym is actually just in the next building. We have a camo, and then I got these the other week. They're the Nike Shocks. Really cool, actually. They look like soccer cleats. Oh. Just gonna warm up on the treadmill. All right, so today's plan, abs and legs. All right, time to do the leg press. All right, this machine moves really differently. So look at this. It's not weird. Beautiful day now. So everything's so sunny. So I just got this hat from Aritzia. I never liked camo. I thought camo was kind of ugly. But my family loves camo because my family likes to hunt. I don't hunt, only my parents, my brother, they hunt every year. My family lives in Pennsylvania, and then my brother lives in Ohio. So I think right now is archery season, or I don't know, it's getting to gun season or something. But the other day, my mom shot a buck, but it was wounded, so it ran away. So they were trying to trail it, but they couldn't find it. So my mom just sent me this picture. I don't know if you could see it. She's gonna have my brother get it instead. They get the bucks and then they taxiderm it, and it's in the living room and everything. And then they eat it for meat, but I don't do any of that. Like my parents, my brother, they all love to do that stuff. I'm the only one who doesn't like to do that. So I'm more of a city person. And right now I'm gonna send out a link. I have a meeting with my Discord real quick. I do a couple live webinars in my Discord to teach people how to trade, my strategy, prepare every day, know what to trade every day, what tickers and everything. Now we're headed off to lunch. I brought my laptop because I'm gonna do some work. All those dogs. No, that's all.
They'll be from here to them.
For here.
From here?
Alright. This place is like a
co-working place, I guess. It's like healthy, but a lot of people come to work here, so when you come in the daytime, it's kind of nice. The neighborhood's really nice. It's like a cute corner. Oh, thank you. Alright, so we got smoothie and this. Like, that's crazy. 40 bucks. This is the cutest area. You have like, it's in the middle of an intersection, and then you have the dog park, and like there is a cafe on the other side.
Are you on right now?
This is a new camera.
Okay, nice.
I'm just like trying it out.
Apparently he was a trader before, like for a broker and like, I don't know, derivatives and stuff. So cool. This is why I like Canada. Everyone's so nice, and like I realized if you come out, like if you go to a cafe during the day, there's so many people that work for themselves or like work remote. And like there's a lot of young people that do this. So I mean, I met so many people in Toronto, like at my local cafes. So like honestly, that's the best place to make friends.
So if you guys have watched my other vlogs, I do the daily Bible reading. So it's on YouTube if you want to check it out. It's called Heart Dive with Kanoy Gibson and Holly Rigos. This is like the perfect day. We got smoothie, Jesus, beautiful fall day. I decided to come back to put my stuff down. I think I'm gonna go for my daily walk around the city. I do this like every day. It's a nice and warm day today, so it's not as bad. The other days are so bad and rainy and it's so dark, so I'm definitely gonna take advantage of the weather today. 51 degrees, not bad. I love staying downtown because you get to come in and then like leave and come back, take a rest, go out again. So that's what we're doing now. So I stay right by Rogers Center. That's where they play baseball. And so the other day when the Blue Jays made it to the playoffs, I could not sleep. For like an hour, the whole city was so loud, and I heard all like the horns and stuff, and everything, like, you know, it was so loud. It was so cool. And if you see like the videos online where people were on the streets and like on the traffic poles, this is like, I live right here, so it's gonna be fun later on when I'm going out later with my friend, and so we're gonna watch the game. So cute. Everyone bought up all the nice hats. So I just learned the other day that if I come to this station, I could take a train to the other Canadian cities, which I should totally do. Another time, I keep coming to Canada, but I only go to Toronto. It's a little later. I am getting tired. I think that lack of sleep is starting to get to me. So I made a snack plate though. We got some fuel, some brie cheese, dates, raspberries, and this little, what's it called? I don't know what these are called, but so it has cranberries and oats. These are so good. All right, so I've been thinking, am I Team Dodgers or am I Team Blue Jays? Team USA, Team Canada. I'm Team USA. Go Dodgers. I've never been to a game. I've been to LA, but I've never been to the game. Ultimately, I'm more of a Cleveland Guardians fan just because like that's my home team. So if you've been keeping up with my Instagram stories, you guys know I'm really spontaneous when I travel, and like I will book a flight the day of, or I will fly somewhere and I won't book anything till I'm actually there. This is what goes wrong when you do this stuff. The other day, it was one of the games for the Blue Jays to make it to the playoffs, and they were playing against, what was it, New York. I think they were playing against the Yankees. Went on the website and I saw, oh, there's a game today. Let me book some tickets. So I literally booked a ticket, and like the game had already started, so I had a little bit of FOMO. So I was like, I have to go right now. I went to the baseball game, so it's like right down the road. And then I show up and the place is empty. And I was like, is this the right place? Am I in the right spot? You can see through. You can see like there's literally no one in the stadiums. The game was in New York City. So I literally bought a ticket that was not even in Toronto. It was in New York. So I need to start doing my research better, or read between the fine print and everything. Luckily, the bank was able to refund me, even though it was like a non-refundable ticket. They were still really cool with that. So yeah, Chase Bank, best bank. I can always rely on them for all these disputes. So the game starts in a little bit. I'm meeting my friend downtown at one of the bars to watch the game. She's running a little late, but I want to go early just to get a table. I tried to reserve online, and a lot of the bars are just, you know, there's no openings, everyone's booked everything. So we'll see if like what the vibe is. We have the Jays on. Blue Jays, always high tops. This is wild. Look at that. I tried like 2 bars downtown and they're all pretty much booked for the next 2 hours, so I don't know what we're gonna do. Okay, I got a table finally. So it was the last table. Stuff just always works out. Got the bruschetta and the wings. This is history in the making. And I am back. Guys, it's 3 a.m. The Blue Jays ended up winning, and then we went out to King Street West where all the bars and restaurants were. By the time you guys watch this, I will already have left Toronto. I probably won't be back for a while. I don't know when I'll be back, just because it's so cold. I don't really want to be here when it's so cold. I need a snowbird somewhere, so I'm still deciding where to go. So exciting. All right, good night.